Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone Blade A54 with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus water drop notch display. Resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 84.2% screen-to-body ratio. Approximately 267 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup. On the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on rear camera, and front camera also support video. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz quad-core Cortex A55 plus 1.2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc SC9863. A chipset, paired with IMG 8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 4 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.8 by 8.5 mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. The color options gray, lilac, blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Blade A54 has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 19,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $72, while the 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 22,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $82. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ZTE Blade A54 smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.